Hello and welcome back. If we haven't met before, I'm Jacob Glassmeyer, your Tai Chi guy. Welcome to my channel. This is the second movement as I'm doing a series of the 8 silken brocade. Now, brocade is very intricately woven, beautiful, shuttle-made material. So are you, an intricately woven, beautiful material. But also the movements themselves in the 8 brocade are suggested to be the same way, woven in one to the other. Now, a brief snippet about Qigong, an ancient movement, right, created for medicine. There were 2 styles, seated for injured, standing. And now, because Qigong is thousands of years old, there's multiple ways of doing that. And through my research, I want to bring those to you. They're all designed in a way to help the body heal. We pump our lymph system, we go into ranges of motion we don't go through to our normal course of the day that helps to elongate the body, to help increase circulation and soft tissue so we become more pliable, more flexible, if you want to word it this way, more mobile, healthier, happier. Sounds great, right? So let's step on into the studio here. We're going to start with today, this is the second movement in how my teacher handed this to me. And that movement is draw the bow and shoot the arrow. The other name is draw the bow and shoot the hawk. I like hawks. So now we just draw the bow and shoot the arrow. And with that, my intention that I give to you would be that as you let go of the arrow, you let go of whatever this dis-easement is in your body. Or on the other side of things, you can release the arrow and create like a boomerang of love to give it to yourself. So let's begin by taking our feet wider than your shoulders. That's completely up to you because the stance can be wide, right? Or wider. These are the ways that I've discovered through my research. So you can take it out wide, and then the movement itself, we're going to sink our tailbone down. So you can imagine if we're doing this seated, that you would be seated, feet open, and this uplifting movement will be the lifting of your heels. And that's even one of the practices in a standing modality. So here we are. Let's begin. Feet are wide, sink down, exhale. Now as we draw up, let the forearms cross over. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to reach my hand over here to the side with the snake and the crane. If you know anything about those two, that's part of the story of how Tai Chi came to be. So here we go. The hand that reaches to hold the bow is a sword finger, 2-finger point. The other hand, index and thumb together, pull the arrow back. We sink down, looking, letting go, arms sink down, we rise up. We draw the hands to the other side. The hand that holds the bow, sword finger. The other hand, thumb and index. Breath in, sink, exhale, sink down. Let the arms release. Now, here's the next way to do it. There's no order, and I encourage you to try each one. Find which one feels in your experience, how your body explores the movement, which one feels best for you. Put that in your Rolodex, you know what that is? And let that be part of your personal private practice. Here goes the second one. We're going to sink down. Now this one I say is like an ode to the archery style in Japan because the arms draw up and over, index and thumb draw together. This is the long bow movement, right? We draw from above. Now we sink down, exhale, look, sink, exhale, release the arms, sink down, we rise back up. Breath in, sink, look, exhale. Feel the shoulder blades hug the spine. Feel the chest open. Experience what's going on in your neck, the direction you look away. All right, there's our number 2. Did you like those? There's more. Now here, I was researching and I saw these monks in Song Mountain in China. And their practice of this drawing the bow, shoot the arrow, their heels are up. Heels up. Their archery movement was thumbs down. I call this the reverse hug. Bring the arms cross one over the top. We're trying to get the elbows on top of each other and the back of the hand to the shoulder. Heels up, Breath in, sink down, heels stay up. The hands stay open. We sink. Now we don't let the arms drop. We bring them right back on top of each other. And we rise up, still on off your heels. Breath in. Exhale, come down. Now your heels can come down. Your arms can come down. Excellent. Our next movement in drawing the bow and shoot the arrow. Arms cross over. Now this time, we're going to make the movement bigger, okay? So we open up and we sink and we draw, let go. Make the movement big. Sink. Let go. And my personal favorite, both hands close. A medium tension to your hands, as if you're actually holding on to the bow and the arrow. The forearms cross over. We breathe in. Squeeze, medium squeeze the hands. Exhale, feel the muscles connect. Let the hands release the tension in the bow. Arms sink down, we rise up. Breath in. Hands close. Other side. Squeeze the hands gently. Feel the bow and the string in the hand. Let go. Now for our final movement in drawing the bow and shoot the arrow, bring your heels under our hips. On this movement, we're going to do a sideways step. The arms cross over. So we step out. We draw the bow. The other hand opens, sinks down, we step back in. Breath in, step sideways, exhale, sink, let go of the arrow, both arms open, sink down, draw back in. Breath in, come to pause. Now, in each of these movements of the 8 brocade, we do a repetition of the same movement over and over and over again, 8 to 20 times. Here we had several of the draw the bow and shoot the arrow. Practice these, if you will. Write down the one, write it down however you would remember it best, right? And let that become, again, part of your practice. The more that we practice Qigong, I personally feel, I adamantly feel, that it's like a gyroscope. The faster the gyroscope spins, the more kinetic energy it creates. Same for us. The more we practice these ancient disciplines, these living cultures of Tai Chi and Qigong, the more energy we create that becomes more sustainable for ourselves. It helps us bring us to our place in peace, no matter what the pressure is from the outside world trying to get in. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this. Next movement will be hands separate the heavens and the earth. I look forward to seeing you then. Again, I'm Jacob Glassmeyer, your Tai Chi guy. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And remember, be good to yourself because you deserve it.